Hey kids, how are you? I am fit and fine and hope you are also doing great. Who all like to travel? Batao, batao. Do you like to travel? I love to travel. Definitely, I love to fly in a plane or go by road, but the best time that I have is in a train,
where I can see the trees and fields passing by, cars and trucks waiting on the railway crossings, buildings, bridges, and flyovers, and so many people on the railway station. I love to travel. I love to travel with my family and friends all over India and in different types of trains. Together, we go through the tunnels and over the rivers, singing and dancing in the bogies, making sounds of the train.
Woo! Chuk, 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 chuk. Woo! Chuk, 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 chuk.
Hey, do you see these tracks? Yes, they are railway tracks. Long time back, they were used to transport goods from one place to another. But around 160 years back, on 16th April, the first passenger train started. And since then, 16th April, that is today, we celebrate 16th April as Indian Railways Day. It had three engines, Sultan, Sahib, and Sindh, and it had 13 carriages. Wow! But that was in Bombay. Do you see this train? This is in Jalandhar. Yes, your city, Jalandhar. So many times when we are waiting at the railway crossing, we play games like counting the number of bogies that are attached to the engine. Then we notice whether they are air conditioned trains or simple chair car trains or sleeper trains. Discuss with your parents about different types of trains.
Puffer train, noisy little puffer train. If you're going to the sea, puffer train, will you please take me? Chuk, 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 chuk.
छुक छुक चलती रेलगाड़ी छुक छुक चलती रेलगाड़ी सिटी बजाती कुकू वाले छुक छुक चलती रेलगाड़ी
And now, activity of the week. Are you ready for it? This is what you have to do. Imagine what would your train be like? And you have to give it a nice name also. I'll share a secret. Even I drew a train and I gave it a name also. Do you want to see? Come.
See this? Anku's Chuk Chuk train.
Bye bye. Hope you liked the video. Have a good day.
Bye bye toot toot.
Toot toot.
Bye now.
Goodbye.